I found a company that has technology that is so disruptive that the more I dig into this company, the more bullish I become. So today we're going to be talking about a company that's revolutionizing how products are designed, made, and operated to reduce costs and empower smart and efficient production, creating systems that enable their products with innovations across hardware, software, and robotics. This company also has proprietary composite materials which allow them to create any type of vehicle more rapidly and on demand. What's more is that this company's proprietary composite materials are much better for our environment than anything else that any other company is using so far. They're completely reusable and recyclable at every stage of production, including at the end of their life cycle. So, does this sound like the type of company that you may want to invest in? Well, today we're going to be talking all about this company and looking into more of their proprietary technology. I think you're going to love what I got for you today, so don't you go anywhere because we're going to be starting right now. Hey, what's going on? It's Pat from Top Ticker Trades. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to grow your wealth through investing and trading stocks in the market, make sure you start right now by subscribing and tapping that bell so you never miss a thing. I'll see you in the video. Let's go. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about an extremely special company that's got disruptive technology that, without a doubt, leads me to believe that this is going to be one of the #1 investments in my portfolio. Now, before we talk about this, ladies and gentlemen, I would ask that you give me an early thumbs up, as these videos take a lot of time and effort for me to produce and get out to you guys every single day. And if you're not already part of the family, consider hitting that subscribe button, because we got one of the most wonderful communities on YouTube and we're growing every single day. Hey, I'd love to have you here. I drop quality content like this every single day, and I love sharing my analysis, knowledge, and thoughts with everybody on the channel. If your goal is to ultimately grow your net worth through not only investing, but also through trading stocks and options, then you came to the right place. But without any further ado, let's get right to the video. Arrival produces best-in-class zero-emission vehicles that are configurable, smart, and significantly more cost-efficient than existing fossil fuel equivalents. Evolving cities and rising e-commerce have made light commercial vehicles the fastest growing market segment. Combined with increased reliance on public transport and changes in public policy, the forecasted market for vans and buses totals $430 billion. Arrival's product portfolio capitalizes on the shift in demand within these growing market sectors, with 4 vehicle platforms going to market by 2023. Purpose-built from the ground up, Arrival buses and vans lead in innovation and perform with up to 50% reduction in total cost of ownership against fossil fuel equivalents. They develop and produce their own components, materials, and technologies in-house. The scale of their intellectual property reflects how they prioritize innovation. The same technology, components, and materials are used on their flexible skateboard platforms across all of their vehicles. This is core to unlocking production efficiencies within Arrival Micro Factories, which are their proprietary technologies, and they can expand production to meet demand in new markets and develop vehicle programs more quickly. Regional production removes complex and expensive global shipping, which allows them to cut 30% of costs, in turn maximizing margins for every vehicle that they produce. An entirely new type of vehicle demands a new type of production. So the Arrival Microfactory, which is operational in just 6 months with a lower capital expenditure and smaller footprint, is made by decentralizing production. They can set up microfactories anywhere that there is demand, from existing commercial spaces to warehouses. They serve individual cities, support local economies, and produce purpose-built products customized to regional needs. This makes them profitable from much lower volumes with superior unit economics and the flexibility to respond to changing demand. They're revolutionizing how products are designed, made, and operated to reduce costs and empower smart, efficient production. Aided by new thinking, they're creating systems that enable their products with innovations across hardware, software, and robotics. Arrival vehicles feature their plug-and-play components, a modular design within a grid-based architecture which permits quick assembly, easy replacement, and multiple configurations for a variety of real-world use cases. Everything that they make is designed for robotic assembly, from components to materials and their skateboard platform. Each element comes together in a single smart production cell within Arrival microfactories. So, how does this company describe their microfactories? Let's take a look.
Today's products are built on iteration, version after version, creating the illusion of progress. It's time to stop thinking about the future and start thinking from the future. Not only create the product itself, but also reinvent the process that makes it. 100 years ago, the assembly line revolutionized transportation. But the same approach is still in place today, only more complicated and much longer. A process that limits innovation and requires enormous investment. So we started again with a single smart production cell, designing for total robotic assembly. Each cell capable of building any of our vehicles, modular and scalable. We've named it the Microfactory. Installed in existing warehouses, they start production quickly at a fraction of the cost, making vehicles locally to be used locally, empowering the communities they serve. These microfactories can be deployed all over the globe, making electric vehicles better and affordable to all. This is the next transport revolution.
Every Arrival vehicle is produced in small footprint, low-cost microfactories. Microfactories use their new method of cell-based assembly instead of the traditional automotive production line. They can be deployed quickly, making use of existing commercial spaces and producing any type of vehicle to meet demand. Each microfactory serves a city and its community, sourcing from the local area and developing custom vehicles for the region they're in. By localizing the supply chain, microfactories help to reduce the environmental impact of manufacturing. They realize that products need to be defined by the processes that make them, which designing vehicles for microfactory assembly is core to their product development process and is an essential part of what makes their vehicles unique. Now, Arrival's proprietary composite materials are low cost, strong and lightweight, and 50% lighter than steel, but yet are durable and resistant to damage. Any vehicle maintenance required is easier and more cost-effective as a result. Eliminating the use of sheet metal has removed complicated stamping and welding processes during manufacturing. Everything is molded and shaped to form the vehicle, which allows them to create any type of vehicle rapidly and on demand. They've considered the environmental impact throughout their vehicle's lifetime, ensuring that materials are recyclable and reusable at every stage of production, use, and end of life. They also design, engineer, and manufacture the components of their vehicles in-house, which is vertical integration. Now, the vertical integration enables them to control the functionality and cost of their product, passing the cost savings on to the customer. All of their components are also designed on a modular grid-based system for simple assembly. Each component can be used across Arrival's different vehicle platforms, allowing manufacturing at a scale and rapid development of new vehicle types. Arrival components are all plug and play. The hardware that's enabled by software. Each component is easily upgradable over the air and when it's time. Predictive software empowers quick replacement. This ability to upgrade both hardware and software extends the lifespan of an arrival vehicle by twice that of an average commercial vehicle. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. All this technology, this disruptive technology, is a huge reason why I'm all in on this stock, and I will be buying more at every single opportunity. I do, however, want to hear your thoughts. So leave your thoughts for me in the comment section below. I want to know if you're already holding any, if you plan on buying any more, what's your average cost. I want to know all of that. So let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video. But don't forget to hit that like button if you haven't done so already. And if you haven't joined the family, of course, make sure you join the family, because you'll be getting quality content like this every single day. And if you're interested in watching more of my videos, stay tuned, because the end screen will provide you with some Google suggested content from my channel. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen, you've made it to the end of the video. If you found this video helpful, I ask that you help this channel out by smashing that like button, as it motivates me to keep making videos just like this one every single day. If you're not a subscriber, you should consider subscribing, as I publish valuable content like this daily. You can do so from your screen right now, and if you want to check out more of my videos, you can click on the video that you'd like to see on your screen right now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.